In a sun-drenched forest clearing, Tara watches the birds and rabbits, her tiny eyes filled with longing. The forest pulses with anticipation as animals gather for the rainbow race announcement. "You're too slow, Tara. You'll never make it." Undeterred by the taunts, Tara declares, her voice small yet resolute. "I may be slow, but I never give up." The rainbow race bursts to life as the starting signal sounds. Squirrel, a whirlwind of fur, shoots ahead, while fox and deer follow closely behind. Disaster strikes as squirrel, fox, and deer plunge into a hidden mud pit, their cries echoing, "Help! I'm stuck! Someone pull me out! I can't move!" On a steep hillside, Tara, accompanied by Squirrel, aids Fox with a stick, offering words of support to Deer as they struggle toward the summit. With renewed resolve, Deer proclaims, "You may be the slowest, but you're the kindest and bravest." As they press on, they crest the hill, breathless, as a magnificent rainbow unfurls across the sky, igniting a collective cheer of triumph and awe.